In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can import custom worlds into Minecraft Java Edition. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials like this. Now maybe you've downloaded a mini game map or just a survival world that a friend sent you. Here's how you can actually add it into your game. First, if you have Minecraft open, and yes, this does include the launcher, go ahead and close out of it, and then navigate to a website like CurseForge. From here, select Minecraft and then go into the world section by just scrolling down a little bit and then finding the worlds option. And then from here, you can choose whatever you would like. In this case, I'm just going to choose this Lucky Block one right here. But what I recommend doing, just to make sure that this does work with the current version of Minecraft, is actually scrolling down till you find this game version section and selecting 1.21.8. Now, a lot of these minigame modes are still going to work with 1.21.8, so keep that in mind. You'll still probably be good no matter what you're downloading. But it doesn't look like that Lucky Block one that I wanted to download is going to work, so we're going to download a Greek city instead. Wow, this looks pretty cool. Once you get on whatever world you want to download, navigate to the Files tab right here, and then go ahead and click on these three dots and hit Download File. It's going to load for a brief minute, about 5 seconds actually, and then it'll download into this zip file right here. What I recommend doing is just dragging this onto your desktop so it's easier to access, and then you can close out of this web browser. Now go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Then after getting into the Minecraft launcher, go ahead and just make sure you're on the latest release of Minecraft, and then click on this installations page right up here. Once again, find that latest release and click on this little folder icon next to it to open up a File Explorer page. It looks like this, and scroll down on this page until you find the saves option. If you don't have a saves folder, simply go ahead and create it. Just make sure that you name it all lowercase, just like so. Open it up. It's going to show you all of your worlds. Go ahead and just drag that off to the side briefly, because now we're going to want to open up that zip folder that we downloaded from earlier and just drag this world into this folder. It's going to copy it over, and then you can actually close out of this and even delete this if you would like. And after doing so, exit out of this and then begin loading into Minecraft. Just once again, just make sure you're on this latest release right here. Once you do get into Minecraft, load into single player and you should see your new world within here. So mine was named world, which means it's this one right here. Hit play on it and it's going to load you in. Here, let me make this bigger for y'all real quick. And as you can see, once we do get loaded in, we're going to be in whatever world we just downloaded. So this is the Greece world, and wow, that actually does look pretty cool. You know what? I'm going to say I built this. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.